In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google, YouTube, or Gmail to Windows 10 taskbar easily. By the end, you'll have quick, one-click access to these sites right from your taskbar, just like apps. Make sure you're on Windows 10 and using Google Chrome, since we'll use Chrome's built-in shortcut tool. Let's start with Google. Open Google Chrome and head to the Google search page. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the three vertical dots to open the menu. Find Save and Share, then choose Create Shortcut. A small pop-up will appear. Check the box that says Open as Window. This makes Google open in its own minimal window, which feels more like a standalone app and keeps it separate from your other tabs. Click Create. Chrome will place a Google shortcut on your desktop. Right-click that new shortcut and choose Pin to Taskbar. You'll now see the Google icon on your taskbar for fast access anytime. Next, let's pin YouTube. With Chrome open, go to the YouTube website. Again, click the three-dot menu in the top right. Choose Save and Share, then Create Shortcut. Confirm by clicking Create in the pop-up. A YouTube shortcut will be added to your desktop. From here, you have two easy options: drag and drop that shortcut directly onto your taskbar, or right-click the desktop shortcut and select Pin to Taskbar. Either way, YouTube will now be ready on your taskbar. Finally, let's add Gmail. Open Chrome and go to Gmail at mail.google.com and sign in if needed. Click the three-dot menu again, but this time hover over More Tools, then select Create Shortcut. In the dialog box, check Open as Window so Gmail launches in its own focused window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. Click Create. You'll see a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. Right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. That's it, Gmail is now pinned and opens like an app. A few quick tips to make this smoother: if you don't see Save and Share or Create Shortcut, make sure Chrome is up to date. The Open as Window option isn't required for YouTube, but it can be helpful if you prefer a cleaner, app-like experience. And if dragging to the taskbar doesn't work on your setup, the right-click Pin to Taskbar option does the same thing. You now have Google, YouTube, and Gmail pinned to your Windows 10 taskbar for instant access. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the faster workflow.